great when you've already booked a holiday.
Like you get 2 or 2 weeks, and line up everything in one place, and all